this being the first snowstorm of the season, people are racing to make sure that they are ready, as WBZ's Aaron Parsegian shows us.
Got 2 shovels.
Jay Jollymore says he wishes this purchase wasn't necessary.
The push shovel.
The only thing he likes about winter is that the Celtics are playing.
Go Celtics. Big Celtic fan.
But with snow in the forecast, he knew it was time to prepare.
You never know if it's going to be snow, rain, or ice, or what, all together, all of it.
He was among many at Rocky's Ace Hardware in Fitchburg, loading up on winter supplies as the area could see several inches of snow.
And that first one of the year gets everybody going.
Assistant manager Mike Mariano says they've been busy through the weekend.
Big part of it was because that storm last year, it's got them thinking, going, you know what, I don't want to run through that again, so let's get it ahead. And it's like, okay, so we're ready to roll.
And while people are busy getting their new shovels and salt, the city of Fitchburg also preparing, putting the plows back on the truck and getting ready to dump tons and tons of salt.
The men will be coming back in earlier to put on chains, plows, get everything prepared for tomorrow morning.
Michael East with Fitchburg's DPW says they'll have crews on the road at 7 a.m. sharp.
And they'll just revert to plowing, keeping the streets clear, and then after the storm finally passes, then we'll be adding salt.
The first test of the season as they work out some kinks and grapple with less workers.
The public will hopefully bear with us as we try to get the streets cleared for them to get to work.
And that's why he says the preparation right now is so important for what could still be ahead.
The predictions are for this year that we're going to get more snow than we have in the past couple years, and we're trying to be prepared for it as best as possible.
In Fitchburg, Aaron Parsegian, WBZ News.